Several years ago, Jim Leahy absolutely revolutionized bread making with his no-knead bread recipe. It's still my favorite way of making bread. I'm going to show you how. In a large bowl, combine 3 cups of flour, 1 1/4 teaspoons of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of yeast. Add 1.5 cups of water and stir until blended. The dough will be shaggy and sticky. Cover bowl with plastic wrap. Let the dough rest at least 12 hours and preferably around 18 at warm room temperature. The dough is ready when its surface is dotted with bubbles, like this. Lightly flour a work surface and turn the dough out onto it. Sprinkle with a little more flour. Fold the dough in on itself a couple of times. Place the dough on a piece of parchment paper. Sprinkle it with cornmeal and cover with a regular towel, not a terry cloth towel. Let rise for 2 more hours. With about a half hour to go, place a Dutch oven in the oven and heat to 450 to 500 degrees. When the dough is ready, place it with the parchment paper in the hot pot, cover, and cook for 30 minutes. Remove the cover and cook for another 20 minutes. Let cool before you tear into it. You're going to be amazed at how great this tastes.